up, YouTube? It's your boy again with a how-to video from a bike or any bike in general. So what I'm installing today is Spool Sliders. Got these from eBay, man. They look pretty dope, I guess. It has use if you was to drop the bike. But my first attempt, I was rushing. I was doing something to the bike, and I thought it just didn't fit. I was like upset. Like, I'm about to call the company and get mad. Everything is too small, but it's levels to it. So, and that was just the first attempt. So this, well, I had time to think about it. Slept on it. Me being me, I'm a perfectionist. I like everything done neat. Like I'm a freak. Woo, woo. But anyway, because this thing right here has screws, right? See, the first attempt, I screwed this all the way in, right? And I had a long screw. I figured like this metal piece, if I screw it all the way in to right here, it's going to be long enough to go to the bike. And this screw right here being long like it was, that it was going to meet. Like, I thought it was going to be perfect. Now, I don't know about other companies. Maybe that's the case where this metal part is the same length of your bike from nut to nut, bolt to bolt, or whatever. But for this particular company, I probably have a link down below where to get these at off eBay. But for this particular company, this metal rod wasn't the actual length in my wheelbase. So I was thinking about it, said, you know, I really don't want to send this all the way back. It came from China. It took me took about 13 days to get here, man. So I definitely didn't want to. So you see where I'm spinning this in, you just screw it in just a little bit right here, and then it's enough that it will push this rod maybe a smidget that you will see it, and to get the rest of this bolt in. So it's levels to it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this is right here, being that this is the longest one, this is for the rear. And then I have these for the back, and it's the same thing. Don't screw it in all the way right here like I did. Screw it in just enough to fit it. I thought about putting the blue Loctite on there, you know, but right now I'm feeling lazy. I mean, you can do that, but yeah, I think it's going to be cool, right? But I got the gold because the gold go with my front spokes. Suzuki GSX-S750. I mean, not 550. 750, man. But yeah, boom. Here we go. All right, people. All right, so with these, you have like indentations, whatever, that it fit kind of snug on your top. It's kind of hard to get it confused. Like for instance, the rear, they have the same little cup as these, so makes it easy. Secondly, they have hex screws, metric. What I have, 6 millimeters. For those people out there, 6 millimeters. And unfortunately, it came with the wrong one. But me being the handy guy that I am, I already had one. Then I had to go get another one because I didn't feel like going to my storage area and getting my other one. So that makes everything easy. All right. So like I told you, you have the longest screw right here. You have a short one right here, right? So maybe I'll put the short one in, maybe like halfway, half the screw. It's probably gonna be hard for y'all to see in there, right? So then I'm gonna slide it through. And I installed these new. I thought it was gold. Well, it was gold till I compared it to this gold. It's not the same gold, but you know, bike lift. I don't know the technical name for the thing that lift the bikes. Maybe it's just called a bike lift. But if you want to take the rear tire off, of course, you put the lift under this, lift the bike up. Boom. That'll be my next investment. All right, so I don't know how well you probably can see. Whoa. See if I can lower this camera a little bit. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, maybe a little bit right there. You can see the little pole area right there. See, lower the camera some more. I'm trying to give y'all all the good footage. All right, there you go. Maybe if I move, you see it. There you go. There you go. Look at that pole in that hole. All right, get back to work. Alright, let's get back to work. Okay, so as y'all seen on the other tape, you seen the pole in the hole, right? So now, you just gotta put it in there, right? Put it in there. Tighten it up a little bit. With the other 6mm. Make sure that's on there, snug, tight. See something. Make sure these kind of centered. Again, I told you I am a perfectionist. I'm a perfectionist. So any work I do, I don't care how small it is, it has my name attached to it at the end of the day. So I want it to look good. And I don't want these to fall off. Hopefully it won't. But it's in there pretty good. I'm checking the teeth on my sprocket. It's a brand new bike. But maybe I messed up something. I hit the gears wrong or some BS. Alright, and that's it, man. It's on there. And it matched my front spoke, I hope. Alright, so we're gonna go to the front wheel. Peace. Alright, we back at it again. A yellow beezy. Alright, so you see the front spokes are different, right? So I have this little thing, erect little thing right here. It goes right, sit right there. Dope, right? So it's the same difference. Screw it in about halfway. Hey, how you doing? Ooh. There you go. It's in there. It's in there. It's neat. Alright. In there. Let's tighten that baby up. Let's tighten that baby up. All right. Frame sliders. All right, YouTubers, and that's how you install frame sliders. Again, if you get, I don't know if all companies are the same, but with the one that I got, the little pole that goes through the wheel base, nut, whatever you call it, whatever the technical name is, I don't know. Comment below, let me know what it's called. But it may be cut to length. But in mine, it wasn't. So I had to, like I said, play with the screw on each side of the pole just to get it inside, and then from there you just tighten it down. Mine took 6mm metric hex wrenches, and that was it. If you like the content that I put out, subscribe. Yeah, hit the bell. You get new videos. If you have any ideas, feel free to inbox me anytime, because I have the time and I will put it out there. And Base Cap 1 signing out. Ciao.